Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Confirm which Google account will pay and which currently handles charges. Once done, sign into the target account on your desktop or phone and open payments. Google.com. Make sure two-factor authentication is working and your device is verified. This reduces interruptions. Gather the new card number, expiry, CVV, and the exact billing address. Google validates this. Do this now so, when you add the payment method, you won't be asked to stop and search for details. Now you add and assign the payment method to the chosen account. First, switch to the correct Google profile. Once switched, choose Payment Methods and tap Add Payment Method. Enter card or PayPal details carefully and save. After the method appears, set it as the default for purchases SoPlay, YouTube, and Google Store charge it automatically. For active subscriptions, open each subscription under Payments and Subscriptions, and change the payment method to the new accounts card to avoid billing gaps. Finish by verifying the billing address and optionally allowing a small authorization charge so the bank confirms the card. Next, make a low-cost test purchase or update a subscription payment to confirm processing. Check your bank statement or notifications. If something goes wrong, make sure the payment profile country matches the card's country, the issuer hasn't blocked online or cross-account charges, and two-factor sign-ins worked. If issues persist, contact Google support and provide the payment activity details to resolve the block quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.